Take a look at the street rod here at Unique, especially in classics. Now, this is a glass body, 1933 Ford Victoria street rod. FYI, it is titled as a 1994. It does have the hood and the side panels. I left them off for the video just so I can show you the engine. You can see it run. We get a little bit better look at that engine bay. You can see the still pictures with the hood on at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the front. This is powered by a 350 small block Chev automatic transmission. Take a little peek at the engine, I guess, while we're going around it here. And we'll start it up at the end. So aluminum radiator, electric fan, HEI ignition, 4-barrel carb, nice dressed up engine bay. So you can see aluminum weld racing wheels. White interior, the red exterior. Bucket seats, tilt column, shifter on the column for the automatic. Now, as far as paint, there are a few spots where there's kind of a little bit of overspray, so the paint's not perfect. Shows its age a little bit, but it's a nice looking car. Maybe a fun one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows. Don't see a lot of these around, but a fun street rod. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, there is an extra weld wheel there, as you can see, and there's the hood. Just have it off, leaning up, and the side curtains also. So those will be included with the sale, FYI. And again, still pictures going to be seen of this car with that hood on at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember earlier I did mention it's titled as a 94, but it does have a clear title. No worries there. Looks like seats out of a Mustang. Box body possibly. So white vinyl interior, storage pockets and the doors on the side. Again, there's that still tilt column. Dolphin gauges, aftermarket stereo system that is working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See, it starts easily. And there's power on that. Show you that that is also working. Looks like gauges are also working. Fuel gauge, voltage, oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I don't think the water temp's going to be up very far. Nice responsive throttle.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a peek at it running. And you can drive it like this if you wanted. You can drive it with the hood on. Drive the hood and side panels on. A few different ways you make this car look. And again, 350 small block, power brakes, HEI ignition, 4-barrel carb. Slip around to the back. You see here it has the side exit exhaust pipes. Nice sounding car. 1933 Ford Victoria street rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.